Hey, my name's Dan. I'm a co-founder of AlgenAir, and I want everybody to take a deep breath. Do it. I don't want to. So the air that you just put into your lungs contains carbon dioxide levels that are 3 times higher than what is outside naturally occurring out of that window. And that's a problem because it is bad for your health. It causes headaches, it causes respiratory problems, and it lowers your productivity. And it's a problem that's inescapable, as 90% of our days we are trapped inside. And it's a problem that the air filtration market hasn't addressed, but AlgenAir has devised a solution for it. We like to call it the Airium, and it's the world's first natural air purifier that cleans the air we breathe. It works very simply. It reduces carbon dioxide levels and increases oxygen as efficiently as 25 houseplants. And it does so for a fraction of the cost, time, and space. We're PhD candidates at the University of Maryland, and we study algae. And we took what we learned in the lab and applied it to fight indoor air quality problems. Currently, we're manufacturing and testing our products so we can hit the market in July 2019.